that it is Irungu who wrote it. It made a lot of good comments and also pinpointed out the benefits of the people of Central Province and how they will be beneficiary if the BBI goes through. So it is an alerting letter. It's a letter that is a wake-up call to people who might not be seeing what will be the benefits of BBI, particularly for Central Kenya people. It will be handled. I don't think whether that letter can retrogress the progress that has been made on BBI. And as I've said time and again, BBI will have to sail through. And I'm sure of that 100%. Whether there are some other people with differing views or whatever they have, BBI is good for Kenyans. It is the only vehicle that can propel Kenyans to peaceful coexistence as Kenyans.
But there are also some views that are coming up, and the view is that probably it is the government that have actually released this letter so that the people of Mount Kenya could be able to see what benefits they stand to gain or what benefits they stand to lose if the BBI does not pass. Could it be one political move that could have been made to make them know?
No, I don't know about that because I'm not the author of the letter, and the letter was not meant for some of us or whoever. Though it was made public, it's a letter that if indeed it came from Kang'ata Irungu, was addressed to His Excellency the President. Maybe people might question why was it leaked. I don't know about that. But to me, when I went through that letter, I didn't say anything ulterior about it. It was alerting the Mount Kenya people how beneficiary they will be. And it is up to them. We have said all these changes that we are yearning for, all these changes we are fighting for, the people who will benefit mostly will be Central Kenya people. With us, we are used to any type of condition. We people from Western Kenya, we people from Nyanza, the people from Coast, there is nothing that after, if somebody didn't hear us properly, that we will lose, because we have never had the top leadership in this country and so on. So for the Mount Kenya people must take it serious upon themselves and know that where His Excellency the President is trying to lead them to is the only peaceful end.